Hello guys, so welcome back my new video. So today I would like to share some tips and tricks with the help of you can become the very good speaker. Mostly people get confused how to learn English. Even though they wanted to improve their communication skill, they don't have much time to give this language. So then I decided I should explain some tips and tricks with the help of you can become the very good speaker. So today I have decided to take some challenge of speaking. So that's why I have taken 20 days challenge of speaking. Actually, mostly people are running this language because they know very well value of this language. So that's why they wanna improve their communication skill. Because of lack of time, they are not able to speak this language. They are not able to learn this language. So I will explain one by one with the help of you can become very fluent speaker. So before jumping the video, I would like to share about myself. So my name is Rajni and you are watching my channel English with Desi Housewife. So today's topic in first day of speaking challenge, how to learn English at our home. Actually, this question is asked by the learner mostly. I don't have any partner. How we become the fluent English without environment, even person. So please let me know, without partner, without environment, how can become fluent. So yes, definitely I am going to share all the tips and tricks, but today only I will talk about the listening, because listening is more important to become the fluent in this language. Initially days, people try to listen more before talking in front of the people. So definitely you start, because they take the help of child, as the children learn their native language by observing, by listening, and then they can speak English very well. The same rule you can apply in this language. So definitely you will become the very good speaker. And listen daily. Okay, when you have the practice over the listening, so you can start speaking, you can understanding the point in English. Okay, some, I think some sense of speaking. Okay, actually listening is more important. I think no need to buy some expensive courses. You don't need to go any out of countries where environment is proper in this language. You don't need to get the proper knowledge about this language. Just listen and speak later. Okay. So and another thing, you have to follow shadowing practice. Nowadays, shadow practice is very viral among the beginners. Shadow practice gives many advantages. First, you can start speaking. Second one, you can improve your modulation, your pronunciation, your vocabulary. So, shadowing practice matters a lot to being the master in this language. And another thing, repeat. Repeat as you listen. Okay, firstly, mostly, people try to listen and then they decide to skip. But no, it's not good. Repeat again and again until you understand the point in English. You don't give up. Seriously. Okay, so repeat them. And if you wanna listen, so only listen native speaker video. Why? Because this language only because this language relate to native speaker. Okay, so this is not our first language, this is our second language. So this language is first of of native speaker. Okay, so definitely you follow native speaker and start the copy to the native speaker. Okay, and another thing, like don't jump in the very difficult videos which is beyond your thinking power. Seriously. Okay, just take some cartoon videos, those videos which watch children. Okay, because that video definitely helpful for you. That video definitely helpful for you. Okay, so try to watch children videos and cartoon videos, and when you start comfortable to understanding the point, so then you can move on next level. Okay. And initially day, I know very well, some people get like some face the issue by understanding the point in English. I know very well, it happens. Even I faced many problems in my that time. So you can take the help of subtitle. On the subtitle, along with subtitle, start watching. But then you feel comfortable without subtitle, and then you can skip subtitle. Okay. So yes, that's very important to being this language as a listening. Mostly people say when you are the good listener, in the future you will become the good speaker. So if you watch, if you wanna improve this language, so please watch this video till the end, and like, share, comment to my video. Bye bye.